Today we're going to be installing the rear brush guard for the Polaris RZR Trail S 1000 and any other applications. Here is the brush guard, hardware, and installation instructions. Pretty simple today. Okay, first thing we're going to do is remove and retain the 4 ROPS fasteners and nuts. We're going to use a size 15mm wrench and 15mm socket. Next, we're going to take 2 clamps and 2 bolts and nuts and attach that to the ROPS guard system. You will be needing a size 13mm wrench in order to snug everything up. Okay, and finally, the nuts, you will need to torque them to 16 foot-pounds, and the ROPS fasteners to 44 foot-pounds, which I'm going to do the ROPS fasteners first. The nuts, I don't know how to get in there properly with the torque wrench, so I'm just going to tighten them hand tight here and then go a little bit farther with the wrench and call it a day. And repeat for the other side. Okay, and there you have it, folks. Looks pretty good. Offers a little bit of protection for the back. Overall, I'm happy with the fitment. Looks nice. Finish is a little bit different than the roll cage. A little more flat over the glossy look, but it's not bad. It's not that noticeable. It'll be muddy here soon enough, so you won't even be able to tell the difference. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.